USihlalo weANC eGauteng uDavid Makhura uthi izobhuntsha imizamo yalabo abafuna ukukhomba indlela uMengameli weqembu uCyril Ramaphosa wathi kunabathile abazama ukudala uqhekeko eqenjini. I-ANC izobamba ingqungquthela yayo yaphakathi nesikhathi eyaziwa ngokuthi National General Council kulonyaka.
Can't be a province that is the playground of rascals, anarchists, and people who don't want to work in the organizational processes. We can't be that type of province.
Makhura akasinesi mahleza njengoba eshaya phansi ngonyawo emalungeni eANC eGauteng. Akufunayo ukuthi kube nomthetho ezinhlakeni zeqembu elibusayo aqede uqhekeko kanye nenkohlakalo.
I am your leader, elected by conference. We are not going to allow this, comrades. We are not going to allow this.
Makhura uthi angeke babekezele labo abangamahlongandlebe kanye nalabo abafuna ukuketula uMengameli weqembu uCyril Ramaphosa.
All I can say you is that they will not succeed. Whether they are planning or not planning, they will not succeed. We know what an NGC is for, and if there's anyone who's planning to undermine that national leadership, they must know that we will be ready.
Lengqungquthela yeqembu elibusayo izohlala phakathi nonyaka kanti kuyona kulindeleke ukuthi baphakamise ukuthi akhonje indlela uCyril Ramaphosa. Ngusamkelo Maseko ezindabeni zeSABC ePitoli.